Hello, my name is Jody Samuels. Welcome to Week 12 of the FX Trader's Edge Trade of the Week series on the Forex market, featuring the pound-yen versus the S&P. I trust you will find what I have to say very interesting today. I am in the March 08 bonus issue of Stocks and Commodities magazine. Pick up your copy today. Read my Forex Focus article entitled Finding the End of the Trend. And be sure to email me at jody@fxtradersedge.com if you like the article and want to learn more. And now, on to the pound-yen. In January, we talked about the head and shoulders pattern in the pound-yen and showed you ultimately where it will likely go over the next few months. This is the chart that we showed. You can see we broke the neckline and it started to proceed downwards. Today, I've decided to take a look at the weekly S&P chart and compare it to the weekly pound-yen chart, and here it is. To my amazement, I saw the exact same pattern playing itself out. That's right, the head and shoulders formation on the S&P as well as on the pound-yen. We have a little more on the downside on the S&P to reach its target, and we have quite a bit more to go on the pound-yen. But this is pretty interesting, is it not? We learn, however, that markets do not move in one direction. And when looking at a daily chart on the pound-yen, it looks like we are nearing the completion of a 5-wave sequence, which would end the green wave 3 and begin a corrective move up for a green wave 4. This is also consistent with an eventual correction or a correction due in the dollar-yen as well, possibly at some point over the next week or two. But let's move down to the hourly time frame so we can see how close we are from turning around. This is the hourly chart. It is clear that we're in a wave 3 of the black wave 5 down. So we've traded down for a 1, a nice 3-wave move for a 2, and now we're currently in a wave 3. We will still have to finish this wave 3, trade up for a 4, and down again for the 5. So at the beginning of next week, this currency pair still has room to move on the downside. But towards the end of next week, this currency pair might complete the sequence and begin turning around. However, a word of caution. Please don't be a hero and pick the bottom. We still need to trade lower to finish this trend move. Wait for the turnaround, be prepared for it, and buy it on a 1, 2, 3 reversal pattern or after seeing 5 waves up and 3 waves down. And if you don't understand the lingo I am using, you might consider taking my Elliott Wave course offered through Trading Post Financial. Please check it out at tradingpostfinancial.com or at fxtradersedge.com. This is the end of the Trade of the Week comment. Happy trading! And don't forget to pick up your copy of Stocks and Commodities magazine this month.